Hi, my name is Jenny with Straightaway Travel, and I would like to show you our one-bedroom villa at Disney's Old Key West Resort. This is the entryway when you come into the resort. Because these rooms are typically meant for longer stays, there are things to keep the room tidy, but there is still the housekeeping staff that comes in. Right over here is one of my favorite features of staying in a one-bedroom villa at Disney, the washer and dryer. They do provide detergent. If you run out, you can call the front desk and they will bring you more. Walking in through this way is the huge soaker tub with a seat. Great to relax after a day at the park. And here is the first sink. The bathroom is a split bathroom, so in the next room there is the toilet, shower, and another sink. Here is the large closet with extra pillows and blankets, and the safe is in this closet. This is the bedroom for the room. There's a dresser, nice chest that you can set your suitcase on, large mirror, huge bed, and it also connects out onto the patio. There are plugs that do include USB, and the patio you can access through the bedroom and through the living room. Moving on out to the main section of the room. This is the living room with a chair that folds out into a bed, a couch that folds out into a bed. And back over here is the Hey Disney system, where you can ask it to tell your kids a bedtime story, do Disney trivia together, play Disney music. One of the things I love about this room is that there is the availability for both indoor and outdoor dining. This is the outside patio where I mentioned you can also access it from the bedroom. This is a great spot to have breakfast in the morning. You can have groceries delivered, and there are even all of the pots and pans to make eggs and different things for breakfast. Over here's the full kitchen, refrigerator, stove, microwave, dishwasher. Here are where all of the dishes are. There's also silverware, coffee pot with Joffrey's coffee. I wanted to show you this picture. This is at bedtime with the sofa all folded out and the chair folded out. So each of my kids had their own space to sleep, which was a huge advantage while my husband and I were able to sleep in the other room. Disney's Old Key West Resort also does provide boat transportation to and from Disney Springs, making it so easy to access all of the entertainment, dining, and shopping Disney Springs has to offer. This is my family and I on the boat on our way over to Disney Springs. As you can see, the property here is absolutely stunning, but it is expansive. Some of the perks of staying at Disney's Old Key Resort include early park access to the theme parks, being able to book individual lightning lanes ahead of those staying off property, free motor coach transportation to the parks, and because this is a deluxe villa resort, on certain nights you do have extended evening hours to visit the parks. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please reach out to Straightaway Travel to plan your next Disney vacation. We know all the tips and tricks. We love working with our clients to make sure they have a wonderful vacation. We don't charge anything for our planning fees when you book your trip through us. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.